Yeah, what it do, what it do?
Shit, what's good? You already know, nigga. Young Poop. Tuned in, nigga. Uptown bound. What the fuck it is?
Let them know where you at now.
Hey, look, we out here chilling, you know what I'm saying? Big Uptown. You know what I'm saying? Niggas already know what to do. I'm out here chilling with the big dog.
Yeah.
Shit.
You already know. Man, what's up, man?
Shit chilling, you know niggas out here. And I'm on the grind, nigga, get this motherfucking money, nigga. And we coming double up, nigga, times 2. Nigga, trail get dough, nigga, southbound, nigga, what it is.
Yeah, what you working on there and shit?
Man,
for that music shit.
Well, shit, I got my first mixtape and shit now that I'm working on, you know what I'm saying? I don't even know, I'm just working on the project, putting some songs together. I ain't figured out what I was gonna call it and nothing like that.
Yeah.
Shit, y'all leave some comments on the YouTube, Pooh the realest one. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all got some ideas for the streets, man. Come on, bring that shit.
Word on the street that you holding 2 labels down.
Hey, look, I'm holding it down, bro, for real, nigga. We got Double Up Entertainment, you know what I'm saying? That's my motherfucking family. Niggas already know what it is. That's that East End thing. But you already know, nigga, my motherfucking turf, my ground, nigga, Southside bound, Trill Get Dough Entertainment. That's my motherfucking dog behind the camera, man.
Yeah, you already know.
Shit, his phone ringing right now. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you know how we get down, dog.
For sure.
Yeah.